Almost saved it. That's pretty close. What's up, guys? Little change of plan today. So it snowed like 8 inches last night. And we're about to take the quads out. Already tried taking this one out, and I curved and I DV'd it. I fell, so back to plan number 2, the TRX90. So here's our Saturn. We bought it for $200. It's a manual, smells funny. It's black. Here's Niko's GTO. It's a pretty cool car. We just kind of bought it to beat it up. Nothing to it. You'll see this in the upcoming video. Yo, yo!
What's up, dude?
Say what's up.
Hey, how you doing, Dorito Squad?
What's up? Showing him the Saturn.
Our new hoopty?
The new hoopty.
Why don't you get in and do a fucking startup
That means good. I'm doing a 90 riding video. Alright, bro, I'll be right back. Oh shit. My boy Kamal. What's up, man? I took my quad here.
Oh, that's
I get 2 plain slices. Thanks, man. Me, Nico, and a couple other dudes have a YouTube channel.
Is it quad video going up on there?
Yeah, it is. Alright, headed home. Filled up on food. See if we can make it. God, it's fucking freezing. Oh shit! Woo! It's cold. Oh shit! Oh shit! no! Almost saved it. That's pretty close. Go. Woo! That was sick.
We got on the quad.
Snow in, but she's pretty good. It's all started melting through, started burning my legs, so I stopped. But we're good. Here's my M3. There's my new truck.
Good in the snow, man. Never hooned. One careful lady owner.
Very good. We're gonna edit this one. Stay tuned.
Comment, like, share, subscribe.
See y'all next time.